In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable FPS counter in Steam games. So the first thing I'm doing here is launching the Steam client and waiting for everything to fully load. Once I'm signed in and on the main screen, I'm heading up to the top left corner where it says Steam. I'm clicking that now because this menu is where the main client settings are located. From the drop down menu, I'm selecting Settings. This opens the Steam settings window, and I'm just giving it a moment to fully load so all the categories appear properly. Once everything is visible, I'm looking through the side menu and clicking the in-game tab. This is where Steam keeps gameplay overlay options and on-screen display settings. Now that I'm inside the in-game section, I'm scanning the page until I find the Show Performance Monitor drop-down menu. This is the setting used to control the FPS counter display while you're in games. I'm clicking the drop-down so I can see the available options. At this point, if I want to enable the FPS counter, I'm selecting one of the screen corner options from the drop-down. I can choose whichever corner I prefer, depending on where I want the counter to appear while playing. Once I choose it, Steam applies the setting automatically. If I want to disable the FPS counter instead, I just open the same drop-down again and select Off. That immediately removes the counter from future gameplay sessions. I'm taking a quick second to review everything while it's fresh. I launched Steam, clicked Steam in the top left corner, opened settings, went to the in-game tab, located the Show Performance Monitor drop-down, and selected a screen corner to enable it or off to disable it. If I ever want to move the counter later, I can come back to the same menu and choose a different corner anytime. It only takes a few seconds to adjust, and that's really all there is to it. Once the setting is selected, Steam will show or hide the FPS counter during gameplay based on your choice, giving you a quick way to monitor performance whenever you need it.